Alright, today we got a pretty common one on a Dodge Ram 1500. This one's got the 5.7 liter Hemi. And I wanted to make this video because a lot of people thought that this particular truck had some valve train issues. It really sounds like it has a lifter tick. It has a really noticeable loud ticking sound when you first start it up, especially when the engine is cold. And as soon as it warms up a little bit, the ticking goes away and it's pretty much non-existent as soon as the engine warms up. But it's very loud, very pronounced whenever the engine is cold. In the morning you can really hear it. So I'll do a quick video so you can hear what it sounds like, and then I'll show you exactly what we found. And it's a pretty common issue with this particular Dodge Ram and Hemis in general. But here is the issue. So what I did was after I heard the noise a few times, I had a good idea of what it was, and I went ahead and pulled the front wheel off, took out the fender liner that covers this whole area. That gives you really good access to the exhaust manifolds. And the easiest way to check for this issue on the Hemi Rams is usually just to touch and wiggle around the bolts, and you can visually see which ones are broken. Like this one right here. See how the whole heat shield comes off? That's one bolt broken in the exhaust manifold. Then I went back here to loosen up this one and noticed that one's broken as well. Same thing on this bottom left bolt here. That one's broken as well. There's probably more bolts broken behind the heat shield as well. But first I got to get the heat shield off, and with the broken bolts that can be a little bit of a pain. So if you have a Hemi Ram or a Hemi 5.7 engine and pretty much whatever, this is a common issue with the exhaust manifold bolts. They just get brittle and they break. So basically what you have to do is take each one of them out. Some of them may have to be extracted from the head since they'll be broken. Hopefully they're not broken past being flush. But we'll see what we can do and replace them all with brand new bolts.